Yo dog, what's up? None dog, I'm just chilling here with this here pizza boy. Yo man, you wanna go stare at that refrigerator over there? Yeah, let's go. Oh, that's a nice refrigerator. Wow. Yeah, man, I know it is. Yeah. Wow. That's a good refrigerator. Let's stare at it some more. Alright. I would like to present you two for the award for staring at refrigerators the longest. Good job, guys. Wow. We won the award. Wow. What would you like to do with it, friend? Yeah, man, I would like to go buy more pizza with the trophy. Let's go. Hey, wait, you almost forgot your pizza. Yeah, sorry. Do you want to take the refrigerator with us? No, thanks.